Hey guys, in grocery app, the best way to get orders is based on date slots and time slots. So I already have this grocery app, and in this, if I click on choose date and slot, you can see the customer has 3 days to choose the on which date he wants the order. He can get the orders today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. And for each date, then he has a time slot to choose whether he wants the order between 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. For example, if he wants the order for tomorrow, then he can simply click on the Tuesday and you can see the slots will show for the Tuesday. And if you change it to Wednesday, then the slots will change to for the Wednesday. So this is a very great feature to get the orders, and every grocery app in present times using this particular feature. So I will show you through the admin panel. So if you can see it on the screen, this is the admin panel, and inside the admin panel all you have to do is just go to this date slots, and inside these date slots you can see there are 3 dates: today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So for each date you can create time slots. So for today you can see there are 3 time slots, and for tomorrow there are 2 time slots. If you want to add more time slots, just click on edit time slots, and there you will see all the slots which you have already created. You can delete them, you can also make them inactive. Now you can see that currently we have 3 time slots from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m, 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m, and 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So let's say we want to create few more slots for today, 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m, 4 to 5:30 p.m, 5:30 to 7 p.m. So all you have to do is just click on add more time slots, and from here you can write enter the start time type 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So that's it. So the moment you just write this and click on add, one more time slot is added. So in the same way we can add more time slots. So we can add like 4 p.m. and to 5:30 p.m. click on add, and in the same way we can add one more time slots. So it will be from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. click on add. So you can see we have added 6 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have added 6 time slots for today. Now if I just go to Monday, you can see in the app we are seeing 6 time slots, not 6, we are seeing 5 time slots. You can see, just notice that our first time slot was 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m, but it is not showing inside the app because the time has already passed. So if you see it in my mobile, it is 10:49, and that means this time slot timing has already passed, so we are not showing this inside the app. So this is another advanced feature which we have created. We don't show the time which has already passed, so that customer will only see the future time slots from which he can choose and make the order. So this is how easily you can create your date and time slots from the admin panel, and instantly they will start showing inside the app. So similarly, if you just go back, and you can create time slots for tomorrow and day after tomorrow according to your own requirement. If you are not accepting like orders for today, so all you have to do is just make all these time slots inactive, and instantly instantly inside the app the customer will see that there is no time slots for today. They have to make the order for tomorrow only. So this is another advanced feature which we have developed. So there may be some situation you cannot deliver for today, so you just make all the time slots inactive for today, and then customer will only have options for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So so that's it for this video. I hope you will enjoy this feature. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp us. You can see our numbers on the screen.